All right, guys, heads back for the start.
Hey, take a look.
3, 2, 1 for Portugal.
He's so scared.
Ooh!
Oh, it's a camera?
Yeah, if we wanted to buy a video.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
It's for
Hey,
300.
we could actually go to the moon, bro.
I feel like I'm gonna go there.
Hey, Ryan, you gotta come pretty close to the up there.
Yeah. We're pointing right at the moon. I'm gonna make it.
Guys, it's like a countdown or a surprise.
Oh, man!
Holy fuck!
Oh my God! That gives someone a heart attack.
You want to count down her surprise?
Oh, that guy's a dick. I don't like when he does that.
Oh man!
There's not even a cage. Look at Kevin. No way, babe. No. Oh, he's gonna do it though. Look at.
Yeah, he is. Oh shit! There we go.